Astilbe plants are hardy plants, easy to grow with low maintenance and range from 1 to 4 feet tall. They light up your garden and your home with their blooms. Quick facts about Astilbe. They are hardy plants, easy to grow, and strong perennials. Astilbe requires damp soil in shade or sun. They flower starting July to October. Their faded plumes look attractive all through winter. They attain a height of 1 to 4 feet tall. You can divide their clumps for replanting every 4 years. They are ideal for natural pond edges, bog gardens, and stream sides. These flowers have hundreds of cultivars to choose from, giving gardeners a wide range of options. When to plant Astilbe. Astilbe is best planted in spring or fall. Avoid planting it in the summer due to the hot weather that tends to dry it out. If you must plant in the summer, keep the plant well watered until you begin to see new growth emerging. You can start it from seed, but it may not germinate and takes a few years to get a substantial plant. The best will be using divided mature clumps to regrow new plants. How to grow Astilbe. Location. Astilbes thrive in partial shade. They can stand the morning sun but burn in the full or afternoon sun. It is more difficult for them to survive in warmer regions if planted under direct sun. Choose a sheltered spot in your yard to plant these flowers. Now that we have talked about a shady area, don't plant them under trees. Trees will compete with these flowers for moisture and nutrients. Plant Astilbe away from shrubs and trees so that they don't have to compete for water with other larger plants. Soil. These plants love rich, moist, well-drained soils. These plants do not thrive on waterlogged soils. You will have to include peat moss, perlite, and coarse sand for clay soils to improve drainage. Planting clumps. Dig holes that are 1 to 2 inches deep, enough for the plant's crown to be under the soil. You can buy bare root plants. They usually come in bags wrapped in peat moss rather than in pots. These root plants tend to dry out. That's why it's important to soak the roots for 24 hours to rehydrate them before planting. You can also buy your Astilbe plants from nurseries around you either in the spring or fall. Plant your Astilbe plants at least 1 to 3 feet apart. The clumps will soon expand and gradually grow together. Divide your clumps every 3 or 4 years for more of their bloom in the following years. Watering. Astilbe requires 1 to 2 inches of water every week. If they don't get ample water, the leaves begin to turn brown. If you leave these plants without water for too long, they die. When you are encountering a long dry spell of weather, keep these flowers well watered. They are moisture-loving plants, but don't confuse this with waterlogging. They will not forgive you if you give them too much water. Fertilizing. If you like, apply a balanced fertilizer like the 10-10-10 in the fall. Apply this fertilizer after finishes blooming. Astilbes are heavy feeders, meaning they will use lots of nutrients. You will need to feed the soil every year with more nutrients to keep these plants growing healthy. During the fall, Astilbe foliage dies after the first frost. Please do not cut it down. It's best to leave it to protect the plant's crown during the cold winter weather. Once winter is over, you can cut back the dead foliage in the early spring after the last frost. How to divide Astilbe. Every 3 to 4 years, it's time to divide your plant's roots. Dividing prevents them from becoming overcrowded. When Astilbe plants become overcrowded, they stop growing and do not flower well. Overcrowding also makes the plants weak, leaving them susceptible to disease and insect infestations. You can divide your Astilbe clumps in the spring or fall, with spring being the best. Use a garden fork to lift the rhizomes from the soil delicately and a sharp knife or pruners to cut into 12-inch sections. Replant the new plants in a shady spot at least 1 to 3 feet apart. Ensure to plant them at the same depth as they were originally. Astilbes are easy to grow and maintain, making it easy for any gardener to grow them. They will come back year after year, blooming very beautifully around your garden. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.